You bought a bass-heavy IEM, pressed play, and it still sounds like a cheap airline earbud, right? 9 out of 10 times. The problem is not the IEM, it's the way it sits in your ear. Welcome back to Best IEM YouTube channel. In this video, let's fix your fit and seal step by step, so you actually hear the bass and detail you paid for. First, quick thing. IEMs are not normal earbuds. They are designed to seal your ear canal, almost like a tiny earplug with a speaker inside. If there's even a small gap, bass disappears, treble gets sharp, and everything sounds thin and weak. Most beginners blame the tuning or drivers, but in reality, one wrong ear tip can completely ruin the sound. Let's start with ear tips, because that's where almost everyone goes wrong. Two small tips feel loose, break the seal, and you keep pushing the IEM back in every few minutes. Two big tips feel like pressure or pain after 10 minutes, and they slowly push themselves out of your ear. It's also totally normal if your left ear needs a different size than your right ear. Human ears are not perfectly symmetrical, so don't be afraid to mix sizes if that's what fits best. You'll usually get a few sizes in the box: small, medium, large. Take 5 minutes and actually test them all, one ear at a time, instead of just assuming medium is right for everyone. Now, a quick word on silicone versus foam. Silicone tips are easy to insert quickly, usually last longer, and feel lighter for many people. Foam tips expand inside your ear, give stronger isolation, and can smooth out harsh treble while boosting the feeling of bass. If your IEM sounds too bright or shouty, foam can calm it down a little. If it already sounds warm and you don't like the muffled feeling, a good silicone tip might be better. Once you've picked a tip, let's talk about how to actually put the IEM in. Check left and right markings and make sure the nozzle is pointing slightly forward towards your ear canal, not straight down. With over-ear IEMs, start with the cable hanging over the top of your ear. Gently pull the top of your ear up and back. Place the tip at the entrance of the canal and twist the IEM in instead of just ramming it straight. The motion should be gentle and controlled, not painful. Once it's in, adjust the cable so the weight is supported by your ear, not hanging and dragging the IEM out. What you're looking for is that plugged ear feeling in both ears at the same level. If one side feels open and the other feels sealed, the tips or depth are not matched yet. Let's do a couple of quick tests so you know if your fit is actually good. First, the bass test. Play a track with deep, steady bass. If the bass disappears when you move your jaw, smile, or talk, your seal is weak, and the tip is probably too small or too shallow. Second, the isolation test. With no music playing, just wearing the IEMs, outside noise should clearly drop compared to your normal earbuds. If you still hear everything around you almost the same, you don't have a proper seal yet. Third, the comfort test. Wear them for 10 to 15 minutes while doing something normal. You want snug but forgettable, not pressure and pain. If you get sore spots or headaches, the tip is too big, or you're pushing the nozzle too deep. Now let's talk about common mistakes almost everyone makes in the beginning. Mistake number 1. Wearing IEMs straight down like old-school earbuds. Most modern designs are made to be worn over the ear, so wearing them straight down breaks the angle and makes them fall out. Mistake number 2. Never changing the stock tips. People spend good money on IEMs and then refuse to spend a few dollars on better tips, even though tips can change the fit and sound more than small driver differences. Mistake number 3. Turning up the volume to fix weak bass from bad seal. Once you finally get a proper seal, that same volume can suddenly be dangerously loud and hit your hearing hard. Mistake number 4. Throwing IEMs loose into pockets and bags. Tips deform. Dust and earwax clog the nozzle filters, and next time you wear them, they fit worse and sound duller. A simple case and occasional cleaning can prevent most of that from happening. So here's the main idea. Before you blame your IEM or rush to buy a new one, fix your fit. Right tips, correct insertion, and a proper seal can make your current IEM sound like a completely different upgrade without spending any extra money. If this video helped your bass finally show up, tell me in the comments which IEM you're using and what change made the biggest difference for you. And now that the fit is fixed, the next video will go deeper into amazing topics, so you can squeeze even more performance out of the IEM you already own. If you don't want to miss that, you know what to do.